bring in our legal analyst guest this hour, attorney John Mobley, back on the show. John, good morning to you. Always a pleasure to have you here. Give us your assessment, if you would, please. These first couple of witnesses, the picture that's being painted for you.
Well, I got to tell you, I got to call it like I see it. And what comes to mind for me is that direct examination of the respondent investigator. Had so much promise in the beginning. He laid out this very graphic, chilling crime scene where the body was found, the description. And when you know that a child is missing and you're watching that body cam throughout the house and you see that image of the baby crib and the toys, I mean, it is chilling. I mean, I think that's one of those things where, I don't think you can anticipate or truly understand the emotional resonance that's going to have with the jury. And that really had me. And then the poor planning and preparation from the prosecutor kind of started showing itself on the remainder of the direct examination. And, that direct exam really should have been the opportunity, for the cop to continue, or the investigator rather, to continue painting the picture and telling his story. But it became fairly evident that the prosecutor really hadn't read the full investigative reports by that investigator. I mean, he's asking questions that he didn't know the answer to. He's asking questions that indicate that he has a mistaken understanding of what the investigator did and what his role was. And really, the questions toward the end didn't really advance the story. It just kind of, showed the poor planning and lack of understanding of the investigator's role. And I hate that because it kind of killed the momentum. That story should have had a nicer ending from the standpoint of the investigator being able to wrap up his role. So that, again, that in my mind shows a little bit of poor planning and preparation on the part of the prosecutor. Now, big picture-wise, do I think it's going to affect the outcome? Not at all. I mean, if you get on Wikipedia and do a search for overwhelming physical evidence in a murder, then this case is going to come up. I mean, it's the forensic evidence, the physical evidence. It's all very overwhelming for the defense in this case, and they're going to have a hard time, really having an explanation for that evidence that ties into the murder. I mean, I think they're doing a great job, proving that he was high on PCP and explaining how that would, be the reason that he gave conflicting statements. I mean, that's wonderful. But that's not the linchpin of the case. The linchpin of this case is all that forensic and physical evidence.
Right.